We are the North American truckers. We are the North American farmers. We are the hard-working, heavy-hauling North Americans that don't stop for nothing. We don't like anything slowing us down. And when it comes to getting us back to what we do best, there's only one option: the Monster Strap Winder. The Monster Strap Winder can wind more cargo straps faster than any device on the planet, period. With a powerful lithium-ion rechargeable battery, you can take the Monster Strap Winder anywhere you want and wind over 1,000 straps on a single charge. The Monster Strap Winder has a powerful, high-quality brushless motor that can roll up 30-foot straps in under 7 seconds. Use the customizable quick-release guide disc to adjust for different strap sizes with the pull of a pin. Get a perfect wind every time. The Monster Strap Winder will leave your competition in the dust. The Monster Strap Winder by Monster Devices. Innovation and quality second to none. Visit us at monsterdevices.ca. Monster Devices.ca. Monster Devices.